HPC System A has been especially developed to repair holes in fabric and velour. First, remove fabric residue and dirt from the damaged area. Then, mix the repair compound using 70% fiber and 30% glue powder A compound. The substance should be well mixed. Fill the hole completely with this mixture. Remove residue from around the repair area. Then place the Teflon foil on the area and heat the repair compound with the iron. Then press with a cooling cushion and allow to set. A tip: particularly deep holes should first be filled with foam. Now replicate the fiber surface. To do this, carefully spray the repair area with A-coat adhesive. Then spray on fibers with the selected color and spread a little if necessary. By the way, you can also replicate pattern surfaces with System A. Finally, it's important to impregnate the repair surface with A-Guard when using water-soluble colors. A tip: with the also available Velour Coat color spray, you can simply and quickly cover color defects on fiber textiles, such as floor mats.